Hello everyone. Now I have always mentioned that questions are directly from the classes that we have conducted, maybe on YouTube platform, maybe on our special classes, maybe in our plus. So CAT 2021 was no exception. We have multiple questions that I have covered in our YouTube classes. So you can check down the questions in history. They are available on YouTube. Okay. Speaking of Snap, guys, there was the session I conducted on 19th of December at 10:45 a.m. Okay, and Snap exam was 2 to 3 p.m. Guys, let's check that session out. Where is my 19th December session? 19th December session, 19th December. Yes, this one is my 19th December session. Let's watch that session for a specific instance. Okay, I want to watch it now, guys. And this was the session that I conducted on 19th of December, the same day when SNAP was going to take place. Check this out. The same question featured in the examination with the same options. The last day of the century cannot be. Which day it is? Tuesday. We discussed this in the live class. Okay. Yes, Tuesday. Check this out. What I'm trying to say is that the question will feature in examination directly from our classes. I've started a Tejas batch for the same on YouTube. You can join me over there at 2 p.m. for quantitative and 9 p.m. for logical reasoning question discussion. Logical reasoning may will be covering topic wise, and quantitative may will be covering question wise. Guys, do join. Again, I urge you guys to attend because the questions will be directly from our classes. Have a great day ahead. See you in the class.